Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making homemade coconut milk. It is easy to prepare, and it really is. And the taste, my dears, are so divine. It's nothing like fresh coconut milk whenever you need for a particular recipe to make something savory or dessert. Really easy to put together, and you're gonna only need just 2 ingredients. So let me walk you through the very simple ingredients to get this started. Okay, my friends, right here I have a fresh coconut that has been cut in half. Now, when I purchased this in my produce section of my supermarket, I just told the guy if he can kindly cut this open for me, because if you know anything about coconuts, they are so hard to break through. And this is the brown coconut. I know you have seen the brown one or the white one, but I'm using the brown one. Now, once he cuts it open, it's going to have a little bit of liquid inside. That's okay. You can use it if you're doing it at home, or discard it. I mean, it's very little. And right now, all we need to do is get this flesh out, which is this part over here, and this is gonna take just a little bit of patience. So I'm just gonna work my way through here with a sharp knife, and then I'm gonna show you what I do next. So now, taking my knife, I'm just gonna try to remove some of this meat off of here, and discarding the outer part. I just want the inner part, which is this that you see right there. Alright guys, so I finished cracking open my coconut, and this is the meat that I have taken out from one coconut. So right now, because I'm going to be using my blender, I don't want to strain my blender out. As you know, coconuts are very hard, and you have to really be careful because you can really do damage to your blender. So I just want to chop it to small pieces. Any big ones, just cut it down. Be careful. And I'm just gonna continuing on until I have roughly small little chunks. I'll see you right back. Alright guys, so I finished chopping up my coconut into little bits, and now I'm ready to put them in my blender. Alright guys, so right here I have 9 cups of regular old tap water at room temperature. Okay, now we're going to place our coconuts in here. And that was 1 coconut that we chopped up. And that's it. I'm just going to put the lid on. And blend. You just want to blend this up for a good 15 to 20 seconds. Pause and keep on doing again like 2 times, just to make sure that all the pulp is broken up to like smithereens, and you have yourself a nice milky consistency. Alright guys, so after you finish blending everything, right here I have a large bowl and a mesh to pick up all the coconut pulp that falls underneath. Now, you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a few lines of coffee filters if you like, just to pick up the pulp, but this should be fine. And we're gonna sift through it. It's gonna pick up all the bits. So let's going to be yummy. And you can do this in stages, just so that we have here our milk. I'm just going to make sure that everything passes through. And look how easy it is. Very, very simple. I mean, this is what my abuela would do anytime she needed coconut milk or she was going to cook with coconut. I mean, it's phenomenal. It's not really much work, really, because the blender does all the work. I mean, you're just straining it out and then that's it. You got yourself coconut milk, and this is a good 8 to 9 cups of coconut milk. And who can beat that? Fresh, delicious, easy. Just want to squeeze through the pulp to get all the fresh coconut milk that you can get out of this. And then that's it, my friends. You got yourself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the blender. And I'm just going to put about a cup of water more, just to make sure that I have all of that delicious milk. Look at that milk. That milk is divine. Beautiful, fresh, easy, and organic. You can't beat that. Okay, so I'm going to put a cup more. I'm making a mess. A cup more of water, just to make sure I get all that delicious goodness. About 1 cup of milk, and put in the rest of the pulp that was in there. And I just want to blend it up real quick, just to get all of the, you know, with the coconut milk out. And this is not something I do all the time, but when I'm in the mood, I get right down into it. So here we go, the rest of the pulp. And look at that delicious milk right in the bottom. Alright guys, and here you have it, our fresh coconut pulp. Both of these are not sweetened. This is a non-sweetened milk and a non-sweetened pulp. So this is perfect for any kind of recipe that calls for either coconut milk or the coconut shavings. You can freeze this in a Ziploc freezer safe bags or any container that's freezer safe, and this is going to be good for 3 to 6 months. Alright guys, you've seen how simple it was to make this coconut milk. It was just only 2 ingredients, and the blender did all the work. Now definitely give this recipe a try. It's easy, it's fresh, it's going to make your foods taste so awesome. Nothing like the canned stuff that you buy in the supermarket. Fresh makes the food taste so good. So thank you so much for joining me today. Like I said, use the coconut milk with any kind of recipe that calls for coconut milk in a can. Instead, you use what you have that's fresh. And when it comes to the coconut shavings, store it in your freezer. You can make tons of things with it. You can put in your ice cream, whatever. You can put it in yogurt. You can put it on anything. It is delicious. Don't discard it, because both are going to be divine in your next meal. So thank you once again. Now if you do have something that you want for me to cook that requires coconut in it, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. I am going to be whipping up some Spanish Caribbean and some West Indian Caribbean meals coming up soon, and I need some ideas, so please leave me some comments on what you want me to make next using our fresh coconut milk. If you don't want to make fresh coconut, you can always substitute with the canned stuff, but this beats the canned stuff any day. So thank you so much, and I will see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.